What up, guys? Josh, DepriveD Productions, back in Pro Tools with a 6 tutorial with the audio production side of things. We're going to talk about automation. I want to show you guys how to automate something and take a melody and add effects to it over time, change it, manipulate it, parameters and such. Let's get started. Create a new track, Oh, don't do that. This is going to be neat, guys. I can't wait to show you. Track, new, stereo, instrument track, okay? Boom, I'm going to rename it. Double click on it. Just name it Melody. Melody. You can go right here, obviously, and pick a plug-in. So we're going to go into it here. Go down to Instrument and use the Expand like we usually do. Okay, right here down at the bottom. This comes free with Pro Tools. I know you can't, when I click on these windows, I know you can't see it. Just click on this, scroll down to Soft Leads. You'll see it. And then under that tab, you will find Nice Saw. Look for Nice Saw and click it, son. I'm going to turn this down to about right there, whatever. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump in here. Oh, don't forget, go to your window there. Go to the mix. You got your melody track here, and you got to make sure you set the output to something. Now yours may already be working, but I know every tutorial I go in here and I change mine. It's good to see the repetition. Right click out here on the canvas, open in MIDI editor. Let's create a little melody real quick. I'll show you how I will make a little 5/8 melody, a little 5 beat, a little 5 count. Let's go A. There's an A. Let's go up an octave about right here. Let's go about right here, okay? So let's pick some notes. I'm going to go A and then an A higher. Let me think. Let's pick that note, and then that note. Did y'all hear that? Sounds weird, right? Listen to this melody. Weird, right? Check what I do. I'm gonna just grab those notes right there. Guys, I got the line selected. Control D. Boom. Okay, so I got another copy of it. I'm gonna change just a couple notes. I'm going to change that note up. I'm gonna change this note up. Go back to the line here and listen to it and see what it sounds like. I'm even going to change these last 2 notes right here. So just kind of reverse the end there. I'm going to grab this right here, drag all of them, Control D 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I got all kind of notes, so I can just click somewhere here and press play. Now, real quick, let's go in here and change a couple things I want to change. If you press the A up here, you kind of got an idea what's going on. So if I press play, I'm going to change the attack to where it's like quick. It's kind of like, it's a little holdy. Check it out. Turn the cutoff up too. I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to go down here right here, and I'm going to change this to 8. Okay? And then when I do this, it's going to start making it glide. So you got a glide time here. It's probably going to need to be adjusted. Let's press play. That's what I'm looking for. So check out what we're going to do. Now that we've got our melody here, and it's kind of weird, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the notes that we don't need. Get rid of those right there. You see, select those, delete those, and drag it back to the beginning. Now, let's do a little automating. I want to automate 2 things that we've already messed with. We've messed with EQ, right? So we're gonna automate some EQ, and we've messed with reverb. So I want to go right in here and real quick go to the reverb. Yep. Go to the air reverb because again, it comes free with Pro Tools. I'm going to turn it up to about 5 seconds though, because that's too much and we don't need it. And I'm going to have the mix cranked all the way up. So if I press play now. Whoa, gotta calm it down a little bit. I might even have to turn it down a little bit, you know what I'm talking about? But don't worry, I know what I'm doing. Now, I'm going to go to the next one here. I'm gonna bypass that, so it sounds like this. Oh, wow, look at that. See what's going on there? Check out what happened there. Look at the tempo change. I'll show you how we fix that. Grab this and drag it back. Boom. If you ever see that, a little fix there for you. Showed you how you could correct that. If I Control Z, my tempo changes here. I didn't mean for it to happen. I want it to be the whole track, so I dragged it back to the beginning. Boom. Anyway, bypass by right-clicking and click. I just like bypass it, or you can do it up here. So we'll bypass it for now and add an EQ, okay? Now, what I'm gonna do with the EQ is I'm gonna add a low-pass filter. Go to the EQ here, EQ 3.7 something with the free Pro Tools EQ. I'm gonna click the button right here, okay? And I want you to drag it all the way up like that. And let's drag this bad baby down to about right there. Let's listen to it now, a little bit further down. Nice. Now if I turn them both on, look at how, go to this one right here and unbypass that. See what I've done? See what I've done, son. What I'm gonna do is I want this mix to be automated. I wanna be able to change the mix. If I click on this button right here, boom, I get all these options. I'm gonna go down to mix and double click. It's gonna send it over, press OK, and now it's got a little light on it. That means I can change it in real time. Let's go over to my EQ. I wanna be able to change this thing. This frequency is what makes this go left and right. It's the low pass frequency. Click on the same thing, scroll all the way down, low pass frequency, double click, it's in there, okay. And it's got a little thing on it, little dot green on it. Now we know that they can be changed. And by doing that, you got this little down arrow here, right? And if I click on it, I've got velocity. But if I right click on it, it's got velocity, MIDI volume, MIDI mute pan. But at the bottom, I've got these two things that I've created, my automation. So check out what I'm about to do. Audio volume. What I'm gonna do is every couple, I'm gonna scroll out by holding CTRL, and I'm gonna put a dot right there. And then I'm gonna take this dot and put it all the way down. So now the volume, oh wait, let's make sure that actual dot goes all the way down. I gotta grab it, yeah. So now if I go back to the beginning here, it should fade in. Nice. Okay, so after that, it goes up to, I'm using these blue lines as like reference. At the second line, I want it to start, the reverb to start disappearing. So let's do the down arrow here and go to the reverb mix. I'm gonna put a dot right here on that. And then I'm gonna, wait, right on the line. Right on the line, bruh. And then I'm gonna create this second line. And I don't want it completely disappear, but I want it almost gone. Maybe like 10%, 8%, something like that, okay? And then what I'm gonna do is on this line right here, I'm gonna take the EQ, right click, go to the EQ, and all of a sudden on this line right here, there's the second one, there's the fourth one. Over this, I'm gonna start killing that filter so it starts opening up. So think about it. I'm gonna have my volume, and then the reverb depreciate, and then the EQ, the filter kind of fall off. So we got a lot going on here, guys. Let's check it out. And like I said, you could like open them all up. So I could right click, get the volume, and then right click on this plus here, okay? And pick the mix, and then right click on this plus here and click this. Oh, son, look, I can see what is going on here. I mean, you're like, bro, calm it down. Let's check it out now. Nice. Know what I'm talking about, guys? We had it kind of like open up, volume comes up, reverb goes out, EQ comes up. Like I said, it's super neat. I'm gonna check it out one more time because I loved that. Dude, we could really get down. I like the fact that when you hear it at first, you really can't even hear the melody. The reverb is so much, and when it depreciates, you hear it kind of fade. This melody fade through the reverb, through that cave sound, and then it opens up. The filter kind of just flattens, and you see like the highs and the mids kind of start to build. And my God, dude, automation is the bomb. Get in there and get it done. Learn some Pro Tools. Get in there and have some fun. Do some stuff and send it at me. Again, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Check out some of our other tutorials. DepriveD Productions. Hit it up, subscribe to the channel, like the Facebook page. We got all kind of other cool stuff. But yeah, this is our 6th Pro Tools tutorial. We're going to start learning some awesome stuff now, guys. We've kind of learned the basics, all different effects, some automation. It's about to get serious. Hope you guys are ready. And besides that, man, I hope I was of any help. If you guys have any questions, holler at me. But one more time, DepriveD Productions. Holla.